Hi, I'm Mia and I'm a dancer and I have to style my hair in a bun 5 days out of the week. These items are what you're going to need. And don't forget your favorite hair products. This is my favorite way to making a perfect center part. Now take your vertical volume, spray the hair, and start smoothing for your ponytail. It's okay to spray a lot because the more you spray, the more hold you get. Make sure to spray all around and smooth as you go. Now that the smoothing's all done, it's time to make a secure ponytail. If you have thick, heavy hair like me, make sure to use 2 hair elastics. Now I spray again to smooth out any flyaways. Now I spray my hair a few times with vertical volume to give it some hold before I start the bun. Start twisting and pinning. I always put the first hairpin at the top to get the most grip possible. When using a hairpin, I make sure to grab some of the bun and some of the slicked back hair before pushing the pin in. Continue twisting and pinning all the way around. It's okay if you have hair sticking out. We'll get that with the hairnet. Now grab the hairnet and twist it around the bun until you've used the whole net. Now it's time to pin the hairnet to the hair with bobby pins. Make sure you grab some of the net and some of the slicked back hair with the bobby pin to keep your bun in place. Okay, now do that all the way around. And finally, spray your hair all around with hairspray to get a smooth, slick ballet bun.